morning everyone. Welcome to the Philippines. Right now 5:30 p.m. in the evening, we are at Putasna Bato, Dingalan, Aurora. It is a beautiful viewpoint. It's a very nice place to spend the evening. Today I already explored Kabaldon Waterfalls, Tanawan Falls, Dingalan Adventure Park. If you want to know more information about these places, please go and check out the previous video in my YouTube channel. It is already available. The experience I got is priceless. In this area, there is two more waterfalls located 10 km away from this location. That is my agenda to explore tomorrow. Luckily, my friend's accommodation in Matawe located close to the waterfalls. So I plan to stay over there tonight. Before I settle tonight, I want to show you the beauty of this area. It is absolutely mind-blowing. If you like this video so far, please like and comment below, and subscribe to my YouTube channel would be awesome. Thank you. Now the time is 7:15. Look at my room. It's beautiful, pretty basic. Don't mind my things over here. I just put my things. As a bathroom, look at it, very clean. And there's a window. You can see behind there, there's a window. So it's pretty functional, pretty basic. You have an aircon, but you don't need it. Plug point over there. I'm charging my thing, no issues. Still the light was there. I switch off the light. When you come out, already you can see the beach. It's beautiful. Right now, it's windy. Very windy. I need to go that side, but it's very cloudy. I don't know how much you can hear me. It looks like that. So they have a cabana also. I don't know the rates right now. Later in the video I'll put it down there. This is the first time I'm visiting over here. It is in Dingalan, Matawe. So that is a water source. You can do some grilling also. The option is available. The cottage. Yeah, he's getting ready the table over here. Yeah, making more cottage. Look at it. Wow. Early morning, he already working. Yeah. Good. Today, because of the clouds, we don't have a sunrise. Otherwise, it is going to be a beautiful sunrise. Right now, like this. We have a family over here last night. I met them over here. They already start to enjoy the beach. Wow. Look at them. Hello. The waves are too strong. Really too strong. Look at that. Hi. It is cold, right? Very cold, huh? Wow, he's going in. That is the place. Say hi. I'm waiting for the big one. Come on. Say hi. Alright, right now the time is 7:45. So I'm going to check whether the tour is available for the waterfalls or not. So I need to go to the Casa Nevesia beach resort over there. Otherwise, I have to change my plan, do something else. Let's try it. The climate is getting better right now. Hopefully, there's somebody will go to the falls so we can go with a group tour. That's the idea. Let me go and check it out first. The scenic view here, awesome. The Laktak Falls and Abugan Falls, it is exactly located 5 kilometers away from here. If you want to reach the location, you need a bigger vehicle like tractor or big truck. Because the last 2 kilometers you need to ride in the river bed and you have to cross the river more than 3 times. The riding itself, it is a beautiful experience and memorable moment I want to experience today. Yeah, found it. Looks like that. That is exactly I'm talking about. Let's go and ask it whether today anybody is going or not. Because today is a big day. Let's see. Yes, sir. Today, anybody going to the falls?
No guess.
No guess. Okay, no guess, no going. How much go to the falls?
2, 3.
2, 3.
8 person.
8 person, 2, 3. 300 pesos per person. So, the news is you need at least 8%. So, one tractor, they will pay for it 2,300 pesos. You put 2, 4. So, it comes per person 300 per person. That's the situation. Since I'm the only one, no go. Otherwise, I will pay the full price. That's the situation. Okay. We learn a lot of things. Maybe you come in the weekend, you will have a guest. If everybody there, what time you go? In Saturday, Sunday? 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock?
7.
7? 7 in the morning?
Where's the guest? 7.
Okay, but 7 you need to be ready here. So that's the information. You need to be ready here in the weekend, 7 o'clock. Then you have a lot of chance to go with other people. Otherwise, you bring 8 people with you, you can go. Look at the vehicle. Behind you, there's a vehicle over there. Maybe I can show you. It's beautiful. Because you are crossing the river, you need to go in a 4x4 and big vehicle. That's how it is. So sad in the end. I came here, I stay one night over here, but I cannot make it to the falls. So you come in the weekend, you will get the more chances to go there. But you have to be here 7 o'clock, that's the main reason. Now the time is 8:40. I was a little bit disappointed because of that. There is no tour. I came here for that tour. I cannot explore the waterfalls. Either way, just now the sun came out. It's fantastic right now. Look how it looks like. Seriously. Beautiful. Thank you for watching. Please like and comment below. And subscribe to my YouTube channel would be awesome.
Look at the place.
I'll see you guys next video soon. Thank you.